Okay, so I'm going to kind of navigate you. I'm going to go into your profile quickly so you can get a good idea of what we can see. Let's see. Sorry, I should have done this first before I started the recording, but here, let's go Autumn. I'm going to impersonate you, and I'm going to pretend I'm you submitting an assignment. So I'm going to go to Dropbox, and it's Unit 3, Activity 3, correct? Okay, so Activity 3. Here, the solving systems that you see has not been submitted. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to click on it. Now, once I click on it, if I submit, watch, I'm going to submit an image because I know what you have is an image. So I'm just going to find just a random image to upload. Here, I'll do picture because that's what technically you have. I don't know. I'm just going to do cat pictures. And, oh, wait. Oh my gosh, I'll just do a random picture. So I'm uploading the picture, I'm adding it, okay? Now, I think the reason you're not able to submit is because if you look in this Dropbox here, just say, here's my submission. If you click on this, sometimes it's silly that way. If you click on it, then you can, I don't see why it wouldn't let you. And there you go. See, file submission successful. I think that's all that's needed. And there you go. And now you've submitted it. As you can see, Unit 3 successfully submitted. So if you could do that for me, that would be amazing because it would make life so much easier because if you notice, all these files say not submitted. It's really hard for me to track it. And I think it was just as simple as you writing a small little text description there and it'll work. Let me know. I'd really appreciate that. It would make my life so much easier because it's really tough for me to go back and go these backdoor ways in order to mark your assignments. Okay, hope that helps.